waste what's left.
Hello guys, this is Sai Krishnan from the trendyblog.net, and in this video let us do the quick overview and demo of the Gravastar Venus Bluetooth Speaker. Now this looks and feels compact and can easily fit up in any of the spaces. Build quality is quite good. The legs are strong so that it can sit at any of the surfaces easily. This speaker sounds quite similar to Gravastar Mars. Just in case you haven't seen a Gravastar Mars YouTube video, a link to same with the description, you can go and check that out. But overall, in terms of design, these speakers look quite futuristic and has a really good build quality. The blue color LED to the front looks really nice. Now to the top you have two buttons of volume up and down and the power button. Now let me show you the sound demo of the Gravastar Venus speaker.
Miss Belly on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
In our opinion, the volume on this speaker is quite loud and bass levels are also quite good. If you listen to a lot of EDM, rock or any kind of dance music, this speaker will be really good for you and you will surely love them. So these also make up a really good gift for someone, or also you can have them as a bookshelf speaker or any kind of showpiece speaker. Because that was a quick overview video and sound test of the Gravastar Venus. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel as the Trendy Blog. Link to purchase this speaker will be in the description. Also check out our blog, which is www.trendyblog.net. So thanks a lot for watching guys. This is Sai Krishnan signing off. We'll catch you guys soon in my next video.